Listen, he's worked with international artists such as Coffee. Oh, Burna Boy. Can I tell you? Burna Boy. Masega, Alicia Keys. I can't name names. We're talking about Izzy. Are you kidding me? No. Grammy Award-winning producer, Izybeats. He joins me now to talk about his career in the music industry and his latest project. Izzy, morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Like a whole bunch of people just went, oh my God, that's Izzy.
Yes. It feels
How
good.
did you get into the music industry, Izzy?
Oh man, from I was living in Jamaica, I've been doing music.
Yeah?
Ever since high school, I was always interested into it.
In music?
Yeah, man.
So what was that path like? You did music in school or just naturally talented?
Yeah, I mean, naturally talented still, but the interest started from there. But from there, it just grew into just, me becoming this person now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would have developed that journey, Izzy? Because I meet a lot of young people like every day.
Yeah.
And they love music and they have a passion for it, but it just doesn't translate for them the way it has for you. What do you think made the difference? I
mean, the difference is consistency and just working. Like I always was so intrigued with it that I wanted to know more. I wanted to know how they made this, how they get this sound to sound like this. And I was just fascinated about it.
Right.
So, you know what I'm saying? The passion was there, the love and the interest. And, and that right there just triggered everything.
Yeah. Is it me interested in that only for things and it not carry me going nowhere? You're dealing with some of the biggest artists in the world.
Right.
Who are some? I named a few. But even that, in order to work with those types of artists, it means your work would have to hit a certain level. What do you think is that it factor that Izybeats has?
Taro said me have the blend, blend.
Yeah.
So, coming from Jamaica originally and, going abroad, like I hear music in different ways and, culturally I just blend all the sounds together. It's like I understand how to make it work.
Yeah.
So dancehall is always blended with R&B or Afro or blended with dancehall and that's just my style and people love that.
Yeah.
The blend of what, two worlds sound like.
Yeah, and it's an interesting blend because they're disparate sounds, but when you put them together, the melody and the harmony is just one thing.
It just works.
It just works.
Just work. Dancehall work with anything, Reggae work with anything.
Is it work for you?
See there?
It work for you, but I think if I put Spanish down or put some things together, it would have been a disaster. You have the ear for it. You have the ear for it.
Yes.
So describe your creative process.
Well, first, if I'm going to work with a big artist, like, I love to be in the room personally.
Okay.
And my trick is, I keep the energy good. Like, when I get in the room, I'm always just the one just staying positive, making sure some people laughing and stuff like that. Because being that way, depending on how the mood is in the room, will reflect in the music. So I always go in there making sure the vibes is good.
Yeah.
So
do you create the beat and say,
Yeah, man.
that beat has sound like Coffee,
Yeah, man, everything.
Or that beat has sound, or Burna reach out and say, Izzy, me need something, come with something. How does it work?
Yeah, some people reach out and say they need something and we just link up and make it happen. But me love start from scratch, like as far as creating, starting from the scratch is like, I don't know, it's something about it. You just, the passion, more passionate.
Yes.
Like a painter, I'm not going to start halfway. I'm going to start from the beginning of it.
Yeah.
But some people love when you send them things and stuff.
And them listen and say, me like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Definitely.
What I like about your sound to Izzy is that it's diverse.
Yeah,
right. I can party hard to it. I can sit back nice to it.
You can clean your house to it.
Yes.
Anything, all of that.
Yeah, and diversity is not easy because sometimes you hear people you say, okay, I know it's them because it's the same kind of thing. What makes that diversity work in you? The difference in sound?
Man, it's just the mixed cultures. That's what it is, man. Just going all over the place and learning and hearing new sounds and knowing what people like in their places.
Correct.
And just figuring out the puzzle of how to put it together.
Yeah.
Now, some people try to put it together, but when them do it,
I'm if I tell you.
It don't work. You know what I'm saying? But it's just, just figuring it out.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's work.
Yeah.
It's work. That's what I'm hearing from you. It's work.
Experience.
And putting in the time and the effort to get it right.
Definitely.
Is that also key to your success? Because I meet a lot of people and them go up on the app or whatever, and them say, oh, I create a rhythm, but it not work for me.
Well, that's a part of it, but I said the main part of the success is just, you know, believing in yourself and just working hard at what you love and just, you know, say your time will come, you just have to wait for it. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have a time.
So and the time now is Izybeats, the artist.
My time now, let's go.
Izybeats, the artist.
Yes.
What motivated you? Is it to decide that, all right, I'm going to step in front of the microphone now?
You know, I always do the artist thing, you know, but it's always in the background, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Like background vocals and,
Really?
you know, writing for people and helping with in the room writing and stuff like that. I always do it. I'm singing, but a lot of people just never see it because it's always just in the studio. We left it there at the door.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But now I feel like looking back, I don't want to look back and be like,
I should have.
Now I regret that. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, while me have the opportunity now, while me have the connection, the links and everything there,
Stepping out.
use it.
Absolutely.
Don't build it far. Like, we have to use it now.
Yeah.
Take the opportunity while it's there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So is Izzy the producer different from Izzy the artist?
You know, say artist mode have a ton on. No, man, you know, with the same personality, same people, but I'm always in artist and in a great personality in the studio as a producer anyway.
Yeah.
Coming like an artist I produce field. So it's like, of course, you know what I'm saying?
We get to see that Izzy energy. We get to see that Izzy energy.
You've seen it out the studio. That's
out the studio. All right, so tell me what's going to be the signature for Izzy now. When Mr. Izybeats is on the show, what kind of music may I look forward to from the artist?
Melodious, beautiful, melodic. I not do no simple thing. Everything is gonna sound musical.
Wow.
I love melody. I love singing. Like I said, I love R&B.
Wow.
I love Afro, and them sing like crazy over there.
Love it too, man.
You know what I'm saying? And I feel like we need to take some of them little things from them and bring it back in a dancehall too.
Musicality.
Yeah, man. Pretty melody and them things.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
That's what we love.
Yes. Variety in range and tone and yeah, man.
Why
I know
not?
it, man. I love it, man.
Right.
And I feel like Izzy right now, that's a conversation a lot of our musicians need to have. What's at the core of the music now? What people want to hear from we? You know, what are we providing?
Remember Jamaica, this, you know, people love dance and move and groove and you know, and then you have a Sunday where them love to hear things like soulful melodies and soulful music. When cook and clean and I mean it.
Okay.
So we have to incorporate it, we have to use it. You know?
I was cracking a joke with somebody the other day and say, you know, Adele coming like she want to challenge Celine Dion for Queen of the Dancehall.
Trouble.
Because when you go to the dance, if walls could talk, half a play.
Exactly.
You know, so we appreciate difference in music and what it does.
That's the thing with Jamaica. We know music. We know music. We feel music.
So when we can't hear the music, them from Izzy?
Them are forward, man. We have a single right now we drop with me and Conscience. You know, shout out to Conscience, you know what I mean?
Nice.
You know, we have a single right now and, you know, that's the move. We're just growing. That's the first single from the album that I have coming.
Wow.
So, you know, I'm on the way.
Izzy, that's amazing. Yeah. Proud of you, man.
I appreciate it.
Good stepping out. If you want to follow you, just look for Izybeats on social media.
At Izzy, are you kidding me? 1 Z. Let's stop the double Z thing. Izzy, are you kidding me?
Well, he's not kidding with this career, guys.
No
so
kidding,
go out,
go on.
follow him, grab it, make sure.
Looking at me, no kidding, now go on.
Get to know him now, you know, because after him bus, you can't pass the entourage to get to Izzy. Are you kidding me?
Them can't reach, man. As long as you're not bad, you can't reach. You have to just bad first.
The man says the Spanish. Anyway, Grammy Award winning producer.
Yeah.
And now big artist. Izybeats.
Yes.
Love it. Love it. After the break, we have a fun stop, guys. Stick around. We soon come.